Here we are in Adobe Illustrator, and you can grab this template to download right in my description or in my pinned comment down there. Just grab it and go if you need it. Otherwise, let me just show you what's going on here. So this is where you want to put your main text, right, in this area here. This is a no text zone. I mean, you can, obviously have image there or whatever. Just know that YouTube's going to put the timestamp there, and then keep anything important text-wise and stuff. Keep it in there, and out here, you just have your big background image. And when you use this thing, you just save as, or just delete it. Just grab it all, delete, and then hit save as, and you got it. And you can also I'm going to hit undo on that, and you can drag guides out from the rulers and put them where you want, like if you want to line something up with that, so that's a good idea too. I mean, you just go to view and show rulers and show guides. So that's it. Hopefully that helped. If it did, hit like and leave me a comment. Thanks.